Hello everyone and welcome back to the ITT OLT MCQ series. Today we are going to continue our topic MS Excel and the questions in this video will be from question 41 to 50. So let's start. Question 41. Which of the following cannot store communication information of an external data source in Excel? The answer is C. .udc file. Question 42. A dash in Excel summarizes the columns of information in a database in relationship to each other. Answer is B. Pivot table. Question 43. In Excel, pivot charts don't have dash. The answer is D. Value fields. Question 44. Excel's default margins are dash on each sides. The answer is C. 0.75 inches. Question 45. Macros option in the code group of dash ribbon in Excel. The answer is D. Developer. Question 46. In Excel, a dash is a grid made up of horizontal rows and vertical columns. The answer is B. Worksheet. Question 47. In Excel, an absolute cell reference is indicated by prefix of the row and column numbers with dash. Answer is B. Dollar. Question 48. Keyboard shortcut for autofill in Excel is dash. Answer is B. Control plus enter. Question 49. By default, Excel range names use dash cell references. The answer is A. Absolute. Question 50. In Excel, int in bracket minus 5.7 returns dash. Answer is B. minus 6. Thank you everyone and do like, share and subscribe for more of such videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon for latest notifications from my page. Thank you and have a nice day.